Welcome to the world of modern poultry farming. In this video, we take you inside a chicken mega factory to explore the advanced egg incubation process and the efficient methods used in broiler raising. From hatching to fully grown chickens, you will see how technology is revolutionizing the poultry industry. Stay with us as we break down each step. This facility is designed for large-scale poultry farming. It includes state-of-the-art incubation systems, climate-controlled broiler houses, and automated feeding mechanisms. The goal is to maximize production while ensuring healthy growth for the birds. Egg selection is a crucial step in incubation. Only the best quality fertile eggs are chosen, ensuring a high hatch rate. Factors like size, shell strength, and uniformity are carefully checked before incubation. Once hatched, the chicks are moved to a brooder section where they receive warmth, proper ventilation, and their first feed. This critical stage ensures they develop a strong immune system. Nutrition plays a key role in broiler farming. High protein diets, vitamins, and minerals ensures fast growth and healthy birds. Automated feeding systems help distribute the right amount of feed at regular intervals. Clean water is just as important as food. Modern poultry farms use automated watering systems to ensure birds stay hydrated without contamination, reducing the risk of diseases. Temperature and air quality control are essential in large-scale broiler farming. High-tech ventilation systems ensure fresh air circulation, preventing respiratory diseases and overheating. Eggs are placed into specialized incubators that mimic natural conditions. Eggs need to be turned periodically to prevent the embryo from sticking to the shell. In modern facilities, this process is fully automated, ensuring uniform development for all eggs. After about 6 to 8 weeks, broilers reach their target weight of 2 to 3 kilograms. They are then prepared for transport to processing facilities, ensuring they are handled with care to minimize stress. Modern poultry farming has come a long way thanks to advancements in incubation and broiler raising technology. With efficient systems and improved animal welfare practices, the industry continues to grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into agriculture innovations. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what part of the process you found most interesting. See you in the next video.